You need to hear this if you're a healthcare professional. Imagine walking into a library with millions of books but no organizational system. Overwhelming, right? That's what navigating the world of pharmaceuticals can feel like without a well-structured drug formulary. In simple terms, a drug formulary is a curated list of medications. Think of it as a guidebook, helping healthcare professionals make informed decisions about prescribing the safest and most effective treatments for their patients. Drug formularies are essential for hospitals, clinics, and even educational institutions like the Journal Academy. They promote consistency in prescribing practices, ensuring patients receive the best possible care. By establishing a clear and concise Journal Academy drug formulary, we empower healthcare providers and students with a reliable resource to navigate the complex world of pharmaceuticals. This formulary will not only list approved medications but also provide crucial information about each drug. This includes recommended dosages, potential side effects, and important drug interactions. By having this information readily available, we equip healthcare professionals with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions at the point of care. Additionally, the Journal Academy drug formulary includes the current prices of medications across all registered countries, ensuring cost-effective treatment options are always considered. Creating a comprehensive drug formulary is like constructing a building. It all starts with a strong foundation. We must carefully select the information we include, relying on credible and evidence-based sources. This means consulting reputable organizations like the Food and Drug Administration, the World Health Organization, and leading medical specialty societies. Published clinical guidelines and peer-reviewed medical journals are invaluable resources. They provide the latest research findings and treatment recommendations from experts in their respective fields. Remember, the goal is to create a formulary that reflects the current standard of care and incorporates the most up-to-date medical knowledge. Collaboration is key. Reach out to pharmacists, physicians, and medical specialists. Tap into their expertise and practical insights to ensure the formulary addresses the real-world challenges faced in clinical practice. By incorporating diverse perspectives, we can create a well-rounded and comprehensive resource. Now that we have gathered a wealth of information, it's time to organize it into a user-friendly format. Imagine walking into a library where all the books are randomly placed. Finding what you need would be nearly impossible. Similarly, a well-structured formulary is crucial for easy navigation and efficient information retrieval. A common and effective approach is to organize the formulary alphabetically by drug class. This allows users to quickly locate the medications they are looking for based on their therapeutic category. Within each drug class, medications should be listed alphabetically by generic name. For example, under antibiotics, you might have amoxicillin followed by azithromycin, and so on. Each drug entry should have its own dedicated section, providing essential information in a standardized format. This consistency makes it easier for users to find specific details quickly and efficiently. A well-structured formulary ensures that users can access vital drug information without unnecessary searching or confusion. When it comes to medical information, clarity is paramount. We must ensure that every drug entry in our formulary is written in a clear, concise, and easily understandable manner. Avoid using medical jargon or technical terms that might be unfamiliar to some users. Instead, opt for simple language that is accessible to everyone, from seasoned physicians to medical, pharmacy, and nursing students just starting their careers. Each drug entry should include essential information such as the drug's generic name, brand name if applicable, approved indications, recommended dosages for different patient populations like adults, children, and the elderly, common side effects, potential drug interactions, and any special considerations such as pregnancy or breastfeeding. Remember, brevity is key. While we want to provide comprehensive information, it's important to avoid overwhelming users with lengthy paragraphs. Use bullet points, tables, and other formatting tools to present information in a clear and digestible manner. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for users to find the information they need quickly and efficiently. In the ever-evolving world of medicine, staying up to date with the latest research and clinical guidelines is crucial. Our drug formulary must reflect the gold standard of evidence-based practice. This means that every recommendation, every listed drug, and every dosage suggestion should be backed by solid scientific evidence. Whenever possible, include references to the specific clinical guidelines or peer-reviewed studies that support the information presented in each drug entry. This not only adds credibility to the formulary, but also allows users to delve deeper into the research if they wish to explore a particular topic further. Remember, medical knowledge is constantly evolving. New research emerges, treatment guidelines are updated, and our understanding of diseases and their management continues to grow. Therefore, it's essential to establish a regular review and update process for the formulary. Section 6. Beyond the Basics, Incorporating Educational Resources. Our Journal Academy drug formulary can be more than just a list of medications. It can serve as a valuable educational tool, enhancing the learning experience for medical students and providing ongoing professional development for practicing healthcare providers. Consider incorporating additional educational resources into the formulary, such as case studies, clinical pearls, and links to relevant medical education websites or journals. Case studies can be particularly effective in illustrating the practical application of drug information and highlighting important clinical considerations. For example, a case study might present a patient with a complex medical history requiring multiple medications. By working through the case, users can learn how to identify potential drug interactions, select appropriate alternative therapies, and manage medication-related problems effectively. Section 7. The Power of Many Peer Review and Refinement. Before we make our Journal Academy drug formulary public, it's essential to subject it to rigorous peer review. This means inviting experts in various medical specialties to review the content for accuracy, completeness, and clarity. Peer reviewers can identify potential errors, omissions, or areas where the information could be presented more effectively. They can also provide valuable insights from their respective areas of expertise, ensuring that the formulary is comprehensive and reflects the current standard of care across different medical specialties. This collaborative review process helps to refine the formulary, making it a more robust, reliable, and trustworthy resource for all users. It also helps ensure that the information presented is consistent with current medical knowledge and best practices. Section 8. Sharing your work, publishing, and distribution. With the formulary complete and peer-reviewed, it's time to make it accessible to our target audience. Consider both print and digital publication formats to maximize reach and user convenience. Printed copies can be distributed within the Journal Academy and affiliated healthcare institutions, while digital versions can be made available online through a dedicated website or mobile app. Promote the formulary through various channels, such as announcements in medical journals, presentations at conferences, and email newsletters to healthcare professionals. Make sure to highlight the unique features and benefits of the Journal Academy drug formulary, emphasizing its user-friendly format, comprehensive coverage, and commitment to evidence-based information. By making the formulary easily accessible and widely available, we can maximize its impact and ensure that it reaches the hands of those who need it most. Healthcare providers and students who are committed to providing the best possible care to their patients. Section 9. A living document, maintaining relevance and engagement. Launching the Journal Academy drug formulary is a significant achievement, but our work doesn't end there. To remain a valuable and relevant resource, the formulary must be treated as a living document that is regularly updated and refined based on user feedback and the ever-evolving landscape of medical knowledge. Establish a system for collecting user feedback, encouraging healthcare professionals and students to share their suggestions for improvement, report any errors or omissions, and provide insights into how the formulary can better meet their needs. This feedback is invaluable for identifying areas where the formulary can be enhanced, ensuring that it remains a dynamic and responsive resource. Regularly review and update the formulary to incorporate new medications, reflect changes in treatment guidelines, and address any emerging drug safety concerns. By embracing a culture of continuous improvement, we can ensure that the Journal Academy drug formulary remains an indispensable tool for healthcare professionals and students for years to come. For more information, you can visit our website www.journalacademy.in.